Welcome to our step-by-step guide on how to launch your very own online store with MooCommerce. Whether you're ready to dive in or just exploring, we've got you covered. Let's start by highlighting why MooCommerce is a fantastic choice for entrepreneurs like you. With MooCommerce, you can select a custom template that not only reflects your brand's personality, but also caters specifically to your business needs. Take a look at these stunning templates. Each one is designed with a unique business model in mind, ensuring that your store stands out from the competition. Thinking of testing the waters first? MooCommerce offers a risk-free trial that lets you explore all the features without any commitment. Just sign up for the free trial here, and you can start experimenting with your online store setup immediately. Now let's choose your plan. MooCommerce offers various package plans tailored to different business sizes and needs. Here's a breakdown of what each plan offers. Notice how each step up includes more advanced features like enhanced SEO tools and custom analytics. Once you signed up, you may now choose templates that suit your business. Now let's get you to the onboarding process. This process is streamlined thanks to MooCommerce's user-friendly dashboard. There you can find home, branding, shop, and pixel to add third-party SEO tools and marketing for Google Merchant Feed. And on the left navigation, you'll see all the options where you can add media and manage your shop. From the shop menu, here you can start editing the template. From the images, descriptions, and other options, you can also check the front end, and there you can see an option where it allows you to customize the template. Here you can find the window photo customization. You can change color according to your branding, and in typography you can select your font. To help you get more familiarized with this dashboard, you may click the link above. And that's all for a short preview of theme customization. In the next video, I'll help you get started on adding products and customizing your page. Stay tuned and don't forget to hit like and subscribe on our YouTube channel to stay updated.